Hello dear friends, and welcome to another new tutorial from the Desire channel. Today, I want to introduce you to a new AI tool called Piclumen. It recently released an update with a new art style model that is truly professional and creates beautiful work. Before we start the video, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. As always, we'll start by searching on Google. We'll type Piclumen AI and hit search. The first site that appears is the Piclumen website. We'll click on it, and it will take us to this page. Here, you can see all the features the site offers, from generative images and image enhancers to other advanced models you can use. To start using the site, click the Launch App button in the top right corner. Once we get to this page, you can sign up with your Google, Apple, or a personal email account. I'll sign in with my Google account. After signing in, you'll see this page. Here, you can click on and view all the images that other users have created. I'll click on the Create New option on the left to go to this page. As you can see, I've been given 10 credits. The site gives us 10 credits daily, which you can use. You can also see the paid plans here, which you can purchase if you want. Before we start, there's something important to know that will be very useful. On the left, let's click on Rewards. This takes us to this page. As you can see, you get 10 credits for your first login. You get 1 credit for leaving a comment and 4 credits for liking images that other users have created. If you share on social media, you get 1 credit. As you can see, there are many ways to get credits listed here. I've already claimed some of them. You can also get additional free credits by engaging with Piclumen on social media. For example, I'll click on Instagram, which takes us to their page. You can follow them, and when you go back to the main page, you'll see that you've received 2 credits. You can also click on Community to see the images here. As I mentioned, you can get extra credits by liking them. You can also leave comments here. There are many other images you can use for inspiration. I'll scroll through them so you can see the beautiful pictures people have created. Now, I'll click on Create Image again. This will allow us to generate our own image using this professional AI tool. As you can see, I now have 19 credits. To write the prompt, I'll go to Chat GPT. I'll search for Chat GPT and go to the first site. As you can see, Chat GPT has recently released a new version of GPT-5, which is available for free. It has some huge improvements over version 4 and is more impressive than the previous version. I'll write this instruction for it. Give me a prompt, an abstract glitch art style, across the face, bold distress typography reading, Desire, is integrated into the glitch effect, fragmented digital textures. If any corrections are needed, I'll make them, and then I'll click the Generate button. I'll wait for my prompt to be created. Once the prompt is written, I'll copy it and go back to Piclumen. Now, I'll paste the prompt we wrote with ChatGPT here. You can write your prompt in any language, and then use this option to translate it. If we write a short prompt and can't complete it, we can use this option to fix it and make it more professional. From here, we can add our own reference images from our system or use the styles it provides. As you can see, this new art style has recently been added, and it will be very useful for many designers. I won't choose anything and will go to the image creation model. As you can see, new models have been added. If you've used this before, you know that we could only use 1 model, but now we have 4. There are also other models like Flux and Primo. In this video, I'll use the Art V1 model. You can compare each model here to see what kind of image it's best for creating. In this section, you can select your image size. There are many options. I'll choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for desktops and YouTube. The free version lets you generate 2 images at the same time, but I'll stick to 1. If you click on the advanced option, you can write a negative prompt, which is for things you don't want in your image. I'll click on generate. As you can see, it subtracts 1 credit for each image. It takes about 5 to 6 seconds to create the image. The image has been created. You can see that it executed the command beautifully and very well, and it even wrote the word desire as I wanted. From here, you can download your image. I'll open the image so you can see up close how beautifully this cool art style was created. There are other features, like remix and upscale, that you can use. You can also share your images. In this section, you can post the image in the Piclumen community. I'll write the text I want to go with my image. Then, I'll select the hashtags I want. I'll choose abstract and portrait, but you can be very specific so more people can see your created image. I'll leave this option as visible to everyone so everyone can see the image. Then, I'll click the Post button, and my image will be displayed after it's approved. Now, I'll go back to ChatGPT to write another prompt. This time, I'll write my request like this. Give me another prompt, a vibrant and eclectic mixed media art piece featuring a diverse array of colors, textures, and style, with bold brush strokes, intricate patterns, and expressive shapes. I'll click Generate again and wait for the prompt to be created. After it's written, I'll copy it and go back to Piclumen. I'll paste the prompt and click Generate with the same previous settings. As you can see, it created a professional abstract image. We can also download and post this one. I'll go back to ChatGPT and change my prompt a little. I'll add this to the previous prompt. Mixed beauty young women portrait fashion style. I'll click Generate again and wait for the prompt to be created. I'll copy the prompt and go back to Piclumen to paste it. I'll click the Generate button. I'll change the size to 5:6 one more time and click Generate again. Beautiful images have been created. As you can see, by combining the portrait of a young woman with the previous abstract style, it created a beautiful image. Look at both images and see how beautifully they were made. You can also post these images in the Piclumen community. As you can see, we received free credits by creating images. If you want to create a lot of images, you can log out of your email and log in with another one. Well, my dear friends, we've reached the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and goodbye until the next video.